स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द कैपेसिटर्स मीन्स व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ द capacitance when two or more than two capacitors are combined. There are the several ways of combination, यानी दो या दो से अधिक कैपेसिटर को कई तरह से कंबाइन किया जा सकता है और उस कॉम्बिनेशन में दो पॉइंट होंगे जिससे बैटरी को कनेक्ट किया जाएगा और वन पॉइंट वन एंड से दूसरे पॉइंट वन एंड से, and then in that case the total charge supplied by the battery at one point is q, another point is the minus q, then and the potential difference between the 2 point is v, then c is equal to q by v. This is the value of the c. मतलब हम फिर से एक बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं, आप जैसे भी कंबाइन करते हो कई तरह के कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, उस कॉम्बिनेशन के दो पॉइंट होंगे, दो एंड पॉइंट होंगे. वन पॉइंट इज कनेक्टेड टू पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी एंड अदर पॉइंट इज कनेक्टेड टू नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी, एंड उस दो पॉइंट के बीच में अगर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V है और पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल प्लस क्यू चार्ज सप्लाई किया है और नेगेटिव चार्ज टर्मिनल माइनस क्यू चार्ज सप्लाई किया है, तो उस कॉम्बिनेशन की जो कैपेसिटेंस होगी वो Q बाई V होगी, चाहे जैसा भी कॉम्बिनेशन हो. जनरली देयर आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन. वन इज कॉल्ड द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन एंड अदर इज कॉल्ड पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. तो एट फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन, एंड इन दिस फिगर there are three capacitors. One is C1, another is C2 and C3. These are the three capacitors. The plates of the first capacitor is A1 and A2. The plates of the second capacitor is A3 and A4, and plates of the third capacitor is A5 and A6. Now the whole combination has 2 points. One is this point and this point. Suppose this point is P and the next point is N. P point is connected to the positive terminal of the cell, or N type is connected to the negative terminal of the cell. And now the cell will supply the plus Q charge at this terminal, plus Q charge and minus Q charge. Now this plus Q charge comes at the right face of this plate, means here. This is the plus Q charge, and this part, because between the plates of the capacitor there is a insulator, and it means there is no conductor between the plates, there is no conductor between the plates, there is no conductor between the plates. So A2 and A3 plates are completely isolated. Similarly, A4 and A5 plates are completely isolated. Now, due to the electric field, so since there will be electric field, the electrons of this system will drifted towards the plate A2, and here the minus Q charge will present on the left side of the plate A2. Since there is the A2 and A3 plates are completely isolated, so net charge of these two plates is 0. Automatically, if the charge of this plate is minus Q, so this is the plus Q. And similarly, again, this part is completely isolated, and due to electric field, electrons will drift towards the left, and there is minus Q charge on this left side of this plate, and plus Q charge on the right side of this plate, and minus Q charge is this. And this minus Q charge is supplied by the negative convertible. This is the charge distribution in the series combination. Actually, this concept is very necessary to understand the series combination. And now आप लोगों ने देखा इस पूरे कॉम्बिनेशन में कि हर कैपेसिटर के पास चार्ज सेम है, प्लस Q1 माइनस Q1, प्लस Q1 माइनस Q1, प्लस Q1 माइनस Q1. This is the specific identification of the series combination. In the series combination, the charge on each of the capacitor will be same. चार्ज सबके सेम है. अब हम ये कहते हैं कि ये सेल के कारण P और N के बीच में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, the potential difference I am writing PD between the point P and N is V. Means potential difference between the points P and V is V. Means जो भी हो डिफरेंस V है. अब डिफरेंस V है तो मैं थोड़ी कन्वीनियंटली या इजी होने के लिए, थोड़ा इजी कंसेप्ट करने के लिए हमने इस पॉइंट की पोटेंशियल जीरो माना. मीन्स द पोटेंशियल एट दिस पॉइंट Vn इज जीरो, देन पोटेंशियल एट दिस पॉइंट Vp इज V. मीन्स दिस इज द difference is V minus 0 is V. So this is the potential difference between the P and V, that is equal to V. Now the potential difference between the plates of the first capacitor, suppose the potential difference is of this is A2 PD, not potential difference, potential, simply potential. Potential of the plate A2 and A3 is V1. Why V1? इसलिए क्योंकि दोनों प्लेट कनेक्टेड है और आइसोलेट है, तो जो भी पोटेंशियल इसके पास है वही पोटेंशियल इसके पास भी होगी. इसलिए A2 और A3 की पोटेंशियल सेम है, नॉट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, पोटेंशियल. सिमिलरली the potential of this A4 and A5, potential of the plate A4 and A5 each V2. Now the potential difference between the two plates of the first capacitor is V minus V1, because the potential of the plate A2 is V1 and this is the V, so V minus V1, and this V minus V1, as you know that C is equal to Q by V, so V is equal to Q by C. So Q is charge of the capacitor is Q and value of capacitance is C. So this is the V minus V1 is Q by C1. This is the equation first. Now for this capacitor, the potential difference between the plates is V1 minus V2 Q by C2 and Q2 and V2 minus, now the for the third capacitor, the potential of A5 is V2, so V2 minus 0 is equal to, the charge is same, Q by C3. This is the equation 3. adding 1, 2 and 3. V minus V1 plus V1 minus V2 plus V2 minus 0 is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3, and so plus minus, and this is the plus minus, and so this V is equal to Q common 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. And V by Q is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 प्लस 1 by C3। मैंने स्टार्टिंग में कहा था कि कॉम्बिनेशन का मतलब है कि इस पूरे कॉम्बिनेशन में दो टर्मिनल होगा, एक टर्मिनल पॉजिटिव से एक टर्मिनल निगेटिव से, और उस टर्मिनल के बीच में जो पोटेंशियल होगा वो अगर V है और अगर वो सेल Q चार्ज सप्लाई दिया है एक प्लेट पे, दूसरे पर माइनस Q चार्ज सप्लाई किया है, तो उस सिस्टम की कैपेसिटेंस की वैल्यू जो होगी C होगी Q by V, एंड हियर V by Q, C is equal to Q by V, and here V by Q, so it is 1 by C from this. This is the equivalent capacitance, value of the equivalent capacitance, and that can be obtained by this relation. And this relation is also valid for a number of capacitance. Suppose there are n number of capacitance, you can write here 1 by C1, 1 by C2, 1 by C3, 1 by C4, 1 by C5, and so on. So you can get the equivalent value of the C, and that would be one thing. I am repeating, the charge of each of the capacitor will be constant in the series combination.